Hello everyone and welcome back. So today is a very interesting day. So today we have decided to basically develop another very interesting project in JavaScript that is known as called calculator application. Like you have seen earlier some projects like in tic-tac-toe, you talk about snake game, you talk about quiz application. This time we're going to introduce you another very interesting project using this JavaScript, HTML and CSS, so-called calculator application. So let's get started. Let me try to delete first those files which we really do not need it now. We delete those all. Yeah. Now I'll be creating a new folder now and give the name called calculator app. And in this calculator app, once again we need some new files which is called index.html, and we also need one more that is called app.css, and another one that is called app.js. So these three files required. Now first of all, I would start with index.html file where we'll be creating a template of my code. Now let me go and create this template, and here I have got body with me. Let's start with the first tag here that is called h1, and this h1 we are giving the name called calculator app. So that will be my h1 heading. After that we'll start working with the div tag. Now within this div I have to create lot many classes. I may not have lot many CSS classes, but we can give some classes here. So we can say class equal to container. Okay. So within this div tag, we're going to create a table now because I want to organize it. So I'm starting with the table. Within this table, a tr tag, and within this tr tag, I need a td. Now in this td, I need few things call span equal to 3 as the value, and here I want to offer the text box input type equal to text. Okay, input up to text, id equal to, give the name called result. That will be the final outcome while pressing all the different buttons. Id equal to result and class equal to screen. Remember, I haven't created those CSS classes, but we're giving some names, but later on we can utilize it while creating those CSS classes. Table data is getting closed. Let's get started with another td. Now inside this td, we need another text box, input type equal to text, and here in this input type to text, I would like to better say button because I'll be having buttons. Okay, input type equal to button, value equal to C, and on click equal to, I may not have any function right now, but yes, I can create a function, but let me give some dummy name here. I'm saying clear screen. Okay, so that will be the function we get called, and after that class equal to clear. Yeah, so this is my button tag. After this, the td tag is getting closed. After the td tag, the table row is also getting closed. After the table row, which is getting closed, we're going to start working with another table row. Okay, and in this table row, I'm going to create one more td. So let's go and create another td here, and inside this td, I'll be having another button to be get created. So I'll just say this is my another button now. Input equal to button, value equal to 1, on click equal to, I'll be calling another function called display. Okay, and inside this we're giving the value called 1. Okay, and class equal to number. Class equal to number, and here after that the td tag is getting closed. Okay, now we have to start another TD tag here. Okay, like that we have to keep on creating the multiple buttons. So let me copy and paste another table data. Now here again value equal to 2, on click equal to display, give the value called 2 and class equal to what? Number. Like that I'll keep on creating multiple buttons, but first check how it actually looks like it. Now I can see the buttons like in C 1, 2, 3, but yes, I'm going to create few more buttons one after another. Okay, so I'll go here and create few more buttons. So this is where the table data is getting closed. Okay, I'll copy this and paste it again. So I have to create the button like in 3, 4, something like that. So after this 2, we're giving the value called 3. Yeah, I'll give the value called 3. So value equal to 2, value equal to 3, display 3. And then afterwards, just giving the value called forward slash. And here also you're going to give the value called forward slash. And here class equal to operator. After that, we have to give the value called 4 and then followed by 5, 6, 7. So here we give 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. After 6, we're giving called minus. Okay, once again it will be what? Type of operator. Okay, after this minus, we'll be talking about called 7. Then we have to have 8. Okay, 9. Okay, after that we're giving called plus and display plus class equal to operator. Okay, so here you can see the table data is getting closed, and here the table row is also getting closed. And after this table row, you can start working with another table row here. And after this table row, we can start working with again TD. Let me have this again. Inside this, I'll be giving the option called decimal, which is value equal to dot, and here we give the value called decimal. Okay, now display 0. So after giving this dot, it will basically take what? The value 0, which we haven't put now. We'll be talking about value called 0. So here the decimal value we have given it, TD is getting closed. Let me have the another one. 0, 0. So like that we have to give this now. After that, we'll be once again taking this, and this time rather than giving this 0, we'll be using this call as a button, and value equal to on click equal to solve. Okay, and in this solve will not be passing anything. It will be like a normal function, and class equal to equal. Okay, so table data is getting closed, so we will be using another table data now. So here it will be the button only. Okay, we will be using value equal to multiplication. display asterisk, and here we'll be using operator. Okay, so table data is getting closed, table row is getting closed, table is also getting closed here. Okay, so your div tag is also getting closed here. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's the only thing which we wanted to make. Let me try to refresh and check. Awesome. So we have got all those necessary calculator behavior which we wanted to reveal. Okay, now our next statement will be, once we are giving this C, then we have a call 1, 2, 3, and then forward slash followed by 4, 5, 6 will come down. Okay, so let me check whether we have used 6 or not. Okay, so we haven't used 6. So let me check here. 4, 5, 6. So let me go back here. 4, 5, 6. Let me copy this and paste it later on. Before minus 6 equal to number. Okay, so we're almost set now. So we are having this look and feel. In this we are giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after this we have a call minus and then plus related behavior. So we are all set now, and after that we'll be basically applying the CSS as well as the JavaScript look towards my code. Okay, thank you. Well everybody, we're all good to go now, but I just want to first check whether my this outlook is looking properly or not. See, what my expectation is, after 1, 2, 3 forward slash, I really want to bring 4, 5, 6 to the next, and then 7, 8, 9 and again forward slash, but I can think this is absolutely unorganized. So after this, when we say this forward slash which we have used after hyphen, okay, your TD is getting closed here. Okay, so here the TR I also want to close here. Okay, and after this TR I also want to start another TR here. Okay, so that I can put them into the another level now. So under this TR I can use this TD now. So after this minus, after 4, 5, 6 minus, once again I would like to start another table row here. Okay, so that it likes go to the next row. So here after TD we're closing this TR and starting another TR now. Okay, we're starting another TR. After that we talk about 7, 8, 9. Okay, plus, see here, talking about 7, 8, 9 plus, here the table row is getting closed and it is starting right now like this. See, that looks better now. Okay, but still few more things which I would like to make it even more organized, but that's not a problem. We will do it little later on. Okay, because you can see 8 is missing right now. So here 7, we copy this, equal to 8. Yeah, that looks better now. So now they are basically completely organized. So the moment I expect my application, so we have a call dot here, then 0, then equal to, and then we have a call multiplication. Okay, so looks better now. Now I just would like to perform the overall look and feel. So I need to go ahead and use what CSS, because without CSS I really can't utilize this in a proper way. So I have to start working with the CSS front now. In CSS front, how to start? First we will go back to my code, and here in my CSS we'll start working with font family. But before font family, I would like to start with the body part now. Body, background color I'm using called teal. That looks nice. Okay, so I will be using this app.css in my HTML to see the look how it is being appeared right now. So in my index.html file, on the top under my head section, link style sheet, okay, now see, it looks better now. Going forward, in my CSS, we want to use some H1 color too. So here, we would like to use with the H1 text align, center, color, white, margin top, we would like to use 50 pixels. This is for H1. Let's check. Perfect. So it is now coming in between. Next statement will be called screen. So we say dot screen. So in this screen, we use the background color gray, and after that border solid, black, and with 2 pixels. After that color white, font size medium. Next width, we are using this 100%. Then we talk about cursor. We'll be saying what the default cursor is. Okay. Then padding, we would like to say 10 pixels. And then margin, we say auto. Then margin bottom, that I'll be using 10 pixels. So it is a proper alignment. Okay. Look, that's how exactly we want. That's for a screen where the exact outcome will be visible to me. And rest of the details will be showing you one by one. Now we'll be talking about called input. Okay. Input type equal to button. For input type equal to button. Okay. Input type equal to button of type what? Hover. The moment I hover on my button, I say background color change to what? White, or else I can say white smoke. Okay. And when the button is active, what I want, let me copy input equal to button, and here I say active. In this color should be orange red. Like this. You can see now how it is basically looking like it. Okay, active, the color will be like this. Okay, I'll be talking about called operators. Operators should behave different. So I'm saying dot operator. In this operator, we are saying background color orange. Okay, then padding, I want 5 pixels. Okay, then I want color, that should be black. After this, I'm using called border. That border, I'm using this called solid, and then black and 2 pixels. After this, width, I'm using 100%. Then height, we're using 40 pixels. Then cursor, it has to be pointer type. Okay, that's it. Let's check. Perfect. So they should turn back to what? To your orange color. And you can see the moment I take my cursor on, it turns to white. Perfect. And now those who are type number, I also want to change them. So for number, I want to say the same option. Padding, I want 5 pixels. Then I need height of type 40 pixels. Then I say color. It looks, I want to say called black. Then border. I want solid. Black and 2 pixels. Solid, black and 2 pixels. Then width, I would say 100%. And cursor, once again, pointer. That is for number. Let's check. Awesome. So they looks nice. Now we're left with few other type of options like a dot and equal to. Okay, that I'm talking about called decimal. For decimal, I need to have a different options with me. Okay, so let me try to copy this, paste it, and I say for decimal. So for decimal, background color will be light blue, padding 5 pixels, color black, border solid. Okay, black 2 pixels, width 100%, height 40 pixels, fine, and cursor pointer. Perfect. Okay, looks nice, but I have changed the color to light blue now. Now I talk about clear. Okay, now come back and say clear. Okay, in this color, background color is I'm changed to light salmon. Padding 5 pixels, color black, border same, width 100%, height 40 pixels, fine. So cursor, pointer, fine, margin, auto, and margin bottom 10 pixels. Let's check. Perfect. Now it looks beautiful. Okay. Now here, after giving these details, we're talking about called equal part, dot equal. So for dot equal also, I'm just copying the same. So give a call, background color, padding color, just change to light green. And after this, since it is equal, so we say padding 5 pixels is okay, color black, fine, border, fine, width 100%, height 40 pixels, color and cursor pointers. Just I don't need to. This is for dot equal, and I want for container. In this container, width I want 40%. Width 40%, background color white. Okay. Now here padding is 15 pixels. So display block. So first of all we have call width. We say display block, which we're taking margin. Okay, in margin we're saying 100 pixels auto. Okay, now align cells equal to center. Okay, border radius which is saying 10 pixels. Okay, now we're saying box shadow 5 pixels. Black. And padding so these are the details I have it now. Okay, we have it. Background color we are taking it now. Align cell, display block, border radius, padding, and now padding 15 pixels we have given already. I don't need to give it again. Margin, okay, fine. Box shadow, let's try. Awesome. So it's looking beautiful now. Okay, so this where exactly my application works like that. And table, when we talk about, here we're saying width 100%. Okay, that's it. Super. So it's now giving me the proper look of how my application should behave like it. Just see about the container what we have done. With 40% we're taking background color. Let's bring it below. Then align self, display block, okay, margin, okay, and border radius, and fine. So I think we're all good now. So that's it. So we'll try and implement the JavaScript part. Well, everyone, so our CSS file is ready, our HTML is ready. It's time to just go ahead and talk about my final portion, that is called JS part, where I want to basically perform some calculators. Now here I just say function display which takes var as in parameter and say document dot get element by id. Here I'm saying result, okay, dot value, okay, plus equal to var. Whatever value we are adding it, just it basically try to apply calculation on the top of that. Okay, that is the function. After that we have another functions available here called function solve. Here in the solve we just use the value called let x equal to document dot get element by id result, okay, dot value, dot value, okay, and say let y equal to perform the calculations. For that we'll be using one function called eval and type x as an parameter. Now the next statement will be again document dot get element by id result dot value equal to y. Okay, now later on I'll like to use another function here, function clear screen, and here we say document dot get element by id. Here we say result dot value equal to like that. So clear screen, solve, and display. 3 functions are associated with me, and these 3 functions are the part of this JavaScript file which I'll be calling it at the end before the body tag get closed. So here script equal to app.js. That's it. Okay, let's try to execute now. Here 2, you can see the values. I will say plus 6 equal to 8. Absolutely clear. I say C is clear the screen. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Awesome. So friends, your calculator application is ready. Congratulations to all. So it is a very simplest form which we have developed. This is your HTML, which is a template for you. This is the CSS, which is your complete the area of like how the look and feel will look like in of this template beautification. And here last we have got JS, which is smaller logic but really meaningful. Okay, thank you.